Hey everybody, I have an unboxing video for you today. So this is the electric kit from the Not Just for Boys Kit Club. I have been receiving their emails and kind of drooling over their beautiful kits for quite a while, and I finally kind of bit the bullet and ordered one. So I have just one-off main kit in here, nothing fancy. No extras. I just wanted to try one and see how it worked. I also have a few friends joining me to the right. So if you don't know who Scrapping Amy is or Miranda Weber on YouTube, I am scrapbooking with them live, and I wanted to dig into this kit, so first I had to shoot an unboxing. And I will leave their links to their YouTube channels below because they're lovely. Okay, so I haven't gotten into this at all. So it looks really nice. It's very well wrapped. There's like vellum and this fun little twine, and then a handwritten little card from the owners. Just kind of open this up. This twine is super cute. We'll go ahead and keep that for something. And then this little vellum might be nice for layers. And then here is our kit. So I have been recommended this kit a number of times by a number of the design team, and even a lot of my YouTube followers had said I should try one because I am a mother of boys, and because I do all the heritage layouts, so they said these would be really nice for heritage layouts too. Let me just get rid of the box here, and we'll see what we've got. So let's start with the papers and then the embellishments, and there are stamps in this kit that you get every month, so you know I'm already a fan. They kind of had me at stamps, right? Okay. First paper, this is from Maggie Holmes' Garden Party. It's called Cluster of Blooms. So it's a really pretty kind of vintagey floral on one side, and then the other side is this really kind of saturated green color. Very pretty. This one is from Ella and Viv. This is single-sided, so the other side is just white. Super cute. Very boyish, very boyish. I like that. This is another one from Maggie Holmes' Garden Party. This one's called Country Arbor. It has this little damask pattern on one side. The other side is like a grid that goes all different ways. This next one is from Judd Hadfield's Patio Party. It is called Breezy. So it's like a big polka dot on a light minty background. And then the back is like a tone-on-tone, kind of dark charcoal gray floral. This one is from Reminisce. It's called Follow Your Arrows. It's from their Dreamcatcher collection, and it is a double-sided paper. So this side has arrows that go all different ways, and there's like this pretty ombre. The other side is like this purpley blue watercolory funness going on. This one is from Paige Evans. This is from Wonders. This is her new line. This is paper number 14. It has this really pretty mandala or doily type of pattern here, and then the other side is really cute. It's like a light green with like little white flowers. It's lovely. Then we have Amy Tangerine's Slice of Life, this is called Bamboo Blues. So it's like a tone-on-tone blue, kind of bamboo color, and then the back is just these really cute kind of heart pattern. And then we have Bo Bunny's Summer Mood. I love this pattern, super pretty. And then the back, it says Summer Mood Spontaneous. And then the back has like black and white citrus fruits. I'm not sure about that one, but this one I like, so we're good. So overall, my first impressions is that yes, this is definitely a great set of papers for vintage pictures and also for my boys. Really fun. We'll have to see how I'm just going to kind of unbox it here, and then I'll have as I start working with all of this, then you'll know. I'll be like, I like this or I don't like that. Okay, 3x4 stamp set. And what is really cool, okay, check this out. The packaging that comes in the kit, all of their exclusive packaging, the other side of it has a whole cut apart piece. So this one has like all kinds of little phrase stickers and hexagons and little arrow things that you can cut apart and use. So nothing is wasted, which I think is awesome. This one, so I guess what you do is you take this frame and then all these little pieces fit in this open spot of the frame. And then inside the frame you can put like, well, I'm gonna put boy mom because that's what I have. So you can kind of put a little phrase or stamp in there. So that's cute, very cute. These are another exclusive item, and the back of this is just a tag. So again, you reuse all the packaging, which is awesome. These are little lightning bolt charms. I don't know that I am a big charm person. So these might, I don't know if I'll use them. Maybe I'll try to use one or two, we'll see. But they are really cute. Like, I don't have anything against them. I'm just not big on using them. We have Bo Buddy candy dots. These are fun. They come in black and this pearly white color. Super neutral, super versatile. Definitely very cool. So this is just a kit. This is one kit, no add-ons, and there's a lot of stuff here. So that's my first impression. There is a lot of stuff in this kit. So these are a nice, on the larger side of the kit club. It's not like a mini kit. It's a nice size kit. This is an acrylic. It looks like a little light bulb. Yeah. And then again, the back of the packaging has all this stuff you can kind of fussy cut. So that's cute. Then we have some chipboard. I know, but we'll make it work. We'll just tear the back off of it, because it is really cute chipboard. It's black and white, and there's this like really cute little like minty color, good sayings, nothing, there's no like best day ever going on here, so that's good. So that's cute. But I'm gonna save this till last. I'm not sure what that is. Some freckled fawn labels in colors that match all of the collection. We have a set of thickers called Navy. Oh, these are nice. These are like rubbery thickers, and they're not very big. And there are all the numbers. So that's really nice. Okay, kind of like those. Those are cool. We're gonna have fun with those, definitely. And it also looks like there's like 8 E's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 E's, you guys, 10 E's. These will last a long time. I think these are actually the thickers that match Jen Hadford's Reaching Out collection that I didn't buy because I'm currently not looking to purchase more thickers, but that's okay when they come in a kit. So really cute. You get a cut file, like an already cut file, so that's pretty awesome if you are someone that doesn't have a cutting machine. So the cut file that's in this kit is this arrow with these 3 little photos, all cut and ready for you to have fun with. And then I think this packaging, hold on. This packaging is a nice, this feels like a nice heavy, like maybe even like a basil cardstock. So this blue packaging, again, can do double duty and be usable. And then this little thing, what is this? Okay, so it looks like it's like vellum. Little thin little pieces of vellum that have, there's loads of them in here, like hundreds. It looks like it has little postage stamps and all different kinds of like vintage icons. So for those of you that recommended the kits to me, I think you were spot on. We'll see how I go as I make collections with them, as I make layouts with them, but I do think that they will work fabulously for both my boys and for some heritage pages. So excited to work with this. We'll see how I go as I'll try to get a couple layouts done with it this month, but then I do think it's going to kind of merge into my May projects as well. So, all right, guys, I will talk to you again soon. There will be more unboxings coming. I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye.